chicken BLT on a Texas toast. You're gonna love this. Let me show you how to make this. First, we're gonna pat our meat dry, and I'm using chicken tenders. You can use breasts. Chicken tenders are a lot easier to work with, so and that's what I had on hand. Pat them dry, throw them into your bowl. A little bit of oil in, give that a good mix. And now we are using the Cajun, the Blackstone Cajun. That all coated up. All right, now that our meat is nice and coated up, time for the Blackstone. Let's throw down our bacon. Now that our bacon is just about done, let's move this to the side and throw on our chicken. right, let's try it. Oh my God. The chicken is so juicy. Has a little bit of spice to it with the Cajun. With the mayo sauce. Oh my God. This is 10 out of 10. You have to try this one. If you like this and you want more, hit subscribe and let's go.